Looking for a way to recover lost Jira sites, spaces, or configurations from any point in time with granular precision? GitProtect Jira Backup helps you with exactly this, and a lot more. It prepares you for major disruptions such as outages or large migrations, and minor issues such as accidents and errors. See 5 key areas you're going to love about securing your Jira data with GitProtect. First, simply get GitProtect from Jira Marketplace and complete all the steps to connect your Jira. Once done, it'll appear in your GitProtect's dashboard. Your backup tool can now protect your data. Time to create your first backup plan. Simply select Add Plan and choose Jira. Now choose to protect all Jira data or particular projects. Next, the storage. You can use built-in cloud or connect your own S3 compatible or local storage. Then, your backup schedule. You can pick times and days, as well as use a predefined schedule such as GFS rotation. It creates automated full, differential, and daily incremental copies. One more cool thing, how long to keep your data. Hint, with GitProtect, it's as long as you need. Finally, name your plan and hit Save. Your Jira backup is now active. Our users value one thing above all, recovery. To restore any Jira data, just log into your GitProtect console and select your instance. Trigger a restore, and choose a recovery point from when your data was still safe. Select Granular Restore. This is ideal for recovering specific projects or issues without affecting the rest of your system. Pick your destination. Select what needs to be recovered, and choose whether to restore it to the original location or a new one. Hit Start and track the progress in your console. Just like that, your data is back in Jira. Flexible storage and retention are critical. The 3-2-1 rule, meeting residency needs, stopping ransomware, and minimizing data loss, all achievable with GitProtect. Storage can be different for each backup plan. The default selection is GitProtect's Cloud with unlimited capacity, available at no extra cost. Our data centers are located in the US, EU, or Australia to meet data residency needs. To adhere to best practices, you need multiple storage locations for your backups. Just click Add New and choose from a list of options that includes public or private clouds or local storage connected through SMB or NFS. Retention settings let you specify periods per each type of copy, set the overall number of copies to keep, or keep data without any time limits. This lets you roll back to any point or recover any data if there's a need. Now, a simple yet cool feature, using backup for Jira migration. There are plenty of reasons to do so. Quick example, click Restore, choose a backup plan, and the exact copy to restore. Then, select New Organization as the destination. Now pick the restore type and navigate to Jira Project Selection to fine-tune what is being moved. Finally, choose which new organization to restore this data to. Done. Head over to Tasks, and you will see how your Jira migration is going. GitProtect lets you control who manages backups. Go to Settings, Accounts, and create users with specific permissions, like backup or restore operators or system admins. 2FA is strongly recommended. For data safety, be sure to visit Advanced Settings and enable zero-knowledge encryption using default or custom keys. Go to the Password Manager to view the keys in use. Here you can generate new keys, securing them with a strong passphrase. Note that GitProtect does not store keys, meaning you can't even view them here. It's key to monitor how your backups are doing. Just check Tasks, a handy list of backups and restore jobs with their times and statuses. You can also see data size and scope in the detailed view. Use email and Slack notifications for quick updates on backup tasks based on criteria you select. Also, check the logs. Here you can see who did what and when in your account, with precise filtering. It's perfect for both compliance and security. This is just a glimpse into GitProtect's vast capabilities. Head over to gitprotect.io for more.